different. This is actually not a diaper bag or purse or anything like that. Due to all the craziness going around with COVID-19, I actually decided to switch from disposables to cloth diapers. It's actually one of the reasons, but obviously, as you guys know, it's better for the environment. And just it's something that I had been wanting to try, and had actually tried with my first. I just wasn't, I think I didn't research it enough, or I just didn't know, and I definitely didn't know about Little Helper then. But I'm really happy with how quickly I got my package. I ordered, I think I want to say about a week ago, and it came in yesterday. Just because of all that craziness, I did let the box sit for a little while. So I'm just going to go right into it now that I've finally have some time to open it and film. Having my daughter home from school has also made it a little bit harder to have time to post new videos. So wanted to apologize for being a little bit absent, but I'm definitely going to try and you know, keep at it. So I'm just going to go through with what they've sent me. This is just the care. So how to wash and so forth. And, oh, cute. Looks like dark chocolate. A little thank you card. That's really sweet. It says, "You're awesome." I think that's a really nice personal touch. I don't know of many companies that do something like that, so I think that's a really nice touch. Good job, Little Helper. These are one size charcoal inserts, and in the package you get two packages with a day pack. So a day pack comes with 6 diapers. Okay, so I'll just jump right into it. This is a really pretty color. I'm just gonna take it off so you guys can really see how pretty it is. So pretty. It's like a light gray, and the color is, oh, it's called Silver. I'll put that one down. Oh, this is probably one of my favorite ones just by looking at it. So this one is called Sushi, pretty sure. Oh, the slip came out. Yes, it's called Sushi. I thought it was super cute. Look at the little rolls. And it's a really nice gray background, so it's a very gender neutral print. I really like this one too. And I actually signed up for their trial diaper before I decided to just order the box. I had a bad experience with Walmart. I actually ordered the same day pack from Walmart first, and they sent me the wrong prints, so I returned those, and I was able to actually pick all the prints that I wanted from Little Helper directly. And then I also signed up for their trial diaper, so I get an extra diaper, which is awesome, for $9.99 and free shipping on that one, which is an amazing deal. And this is the trial diaper. Gorgeous print. I absolutely love the dinos. Probably one of my favorites. I can't wait to put it on my son. Oh my gosh, this one is probably the most anticipated one for me. This one is called Narwhals. And sorry, I don't know if I mentioned, this one's called Space Dinos. I'm just going to double check. That's Narwhals. Yeah, Space Dinos was the other one. And this one is Narwhals. And the little hammerhead is just so cute. Gorgeous. I love the color, and these are for my boy. I feel like this is gender neutral enough. I mean, I'm not super picky and paranoid about those things, but ooh, I like this one too. This one is Seafoam, and I'm just gonna open one up so you guys can see what comes. So these are Snap. Sorry. And it comes with 2 charcoal inserts, each diaper. They would snap in place like that, and then this one would also snap into the diaper itself. So these are not pocket diapers, but they do have a very soft fleece liner. I think this is fleece, I want to say it is. And then you would put your liner down like that. And then you have an additional booster, I guess you would say, there for even more absorption. I'm really impressed with the quality. These are really, really good. And I paid for the box of 6, $149 and free shipping. So after taxes, it was about 157 Canadian for 6 diapers and 2 packs of these were included. And as well, you get 2 packs of bamboo inserts as well, which I think is pretty awesome. I looked at a lot of companies and I think that this was probably the best bang for my buck, especially because I'm starting out and I don't have a whole lot of diapers. This is really pretty, and this one I'm pretty sure is called Sprinkles, but on the website I recall it saying Blue Sprinkles because they also have a girl version of this, but I really like the yellow snaps a lot. Oh, the blue on this one is really, really vibrant. This one is called Ocean. Oh, this is probably my favorite one. I know I said that about Narwhals, but this is also this is actually the first one I picked as soon as I saw all their prints. This one is called Overload. How cute is that? I feel like sometimes you can't find the cutest boy prints, but I think Little Helper definitely has a good selection. And I didn't order these, so these probably are like a freebie, which is super sweet and awesome of them. These look like they're wipes. I'll double check. I think these are their t-shirt wipes, but these are awesome. Amazing. So that's it, guys. There's no more diapers in there. That's actually all I ordered. And I'm just going to do a little, show you guys my stack. I've seen a lot of people do these on like Instagram and figured that would be a good way to end the video. So I'm just going to snap these back up. And I am pretty new to cloth diapering, so if you guys have any suggestions or know of any tips or tricks, definitely feel free to leave me a comment below. I'm very open. I love to learn new things, especially regarding cloth diapering. I feel like I still have a long way to go. I'm definitely no expert, but I'm really happy with so far the results that I've had, and I'm finding it pretty easy. It was a little bit challenging at first, but once you get into a rhythm, I think it's possible. So that is my stack of all my diapers. And I think the customer support with Little Helper was actually great. I was in touch with one of their associates when I had some questions, and she was super duper helpful. So I definitely recommend Little Helper if you're considering buying a day pack. I think that you'll get a pretty affordable price for the amount of stuff that you get. And I also wanted to mention, I know I said one of my diapers was my trial diaper, which was this one. I think it was this one. So this was $9.99 plus tax and then free shipping, which is amazing. And in addition to that, because I spent over $79 on the day pack, I had a coupon code for a free diaper. So this is actually my free diaper. On top of already getting a diaper for a steal, I also got a free one. So let's see how many I have here. I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, so that's it for me today. I'm sorry it's not a diaper bag video, but I'm equally as excited. This is a new thing for me, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So again, if you have any tips or have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.